Gratitude for nature. Respect for all life. The stillness of mountains reminds us to be grounded. The flow of rivers teaches us to adapt. Every blooming flower is a celebration of life. Birds, insects, and fish, all are gifts from nature. Mountains and seas, forests and fields, flowers and creatures, all are worthy of our gratitude. The world is vast and full of quiet beauty. May we walk gently and give thanks to the earth. What part of nature are you most thankful for? Like and share if you believe the earth deserves our love. Subscribe. One boost a day for a better you. Likes, shares, and comments are what give me the strength to keep going. Thank you.